Hello everyone, my name is Enrique Wong and I'm your Composition and Rhetoric professor. Composition and Rhetoric is a writing course based on the premise that reading and writing are rhetorical acts, and as such they demand a context, a purpose, an audience, and approach. This means that we don't write the same way always. We write differently depending on the variables of the context. We are going to see all that in the course that starts today, and I hope that you really enjoy. Um, Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I was born in Havana, Cuba, a good many years ago, but I've been living in Ecuador for more than 20 years, since the year 1997, actually. Um, my education, I got a degree in North American literature, another degree in comparative literature. I got an NEA in pragmatism, cultural criticism in the United States, in the University of California at Santa Barbara. And I've been living in Ecuador, as I said, since 1997, where I got a master's in education from Universidad San Francisco de Quito. I've been teaching composition and rhetoric for more than 15 years. First, I started teaching face to face, and then gradually I began teaching online. And today I'm fully online. I have a tenure. I'm a full-time professor from the university, but I work solely online. I'm currently living halfway between Quito and Madrid, mostly living in Spain. So if we are to have contact, it will always be via Skype or through the WebEx platform. I really hope you enjoy my class. We are going to be following one single theme in all the writing assignments, and I'm going to be releasing the theme soon, in a week. That is a surprise. And now you have to record your introductory video like this. I have clearly detailed the expectation for this video, and you have to read the syllabus today and ask questions if you should have any. We have a video conference soon where we are going to be having a live session where you will have the chance to ask as many questions as you have after reading the syllabus. In another direction now, it's important that you understand that you need to have the course book. You need to buy the book, either the hard copy or the ebook. I'm giving you the two choices in the new section of the course, explaining where you can find either of them. I just hope that you join the class soon. This means today or tomorrow, and understand the dynamics of my course. And the sooner you do that, the better off you're going to be. Thank you, and looking forward to having you here.